check it out. So I have a really big surprise that I'm gonna give to somebody super special to me this morning. I think she's gonna be. First, I need to do a little science. So I wanna write a secret message that she's going to reveal. So all you're gonna need today is a lemon, Q-tips, little bowl, and I had to use a black light. Now originally, just to let you know, I was gonna use a hair dryer because what we're going to do is we're going to move the electrons. And I'll tell you a little bit about that at the end, all right? So stay to the end and I'll tell you the science of why this would have worked except it blew out. We're gonna do a test one first and then I'm gonna write her secret message for her to reveal. So all you have to do, squeeze. Can you see it? Yep, you can totally see it. Let's do this. This is a secret message that I'm gonna write her, and I'm gonna let you guys see it. Yep. So, she's gonna get 2 brand new kittens this morning. That's what's gonna happen. That's a surprise. That's why we had a secret message. Wait till you see her reaction. Alright guys, so when the kittens come, I'll show you. That's the secret. Shh. So I'll make a video about that. So like I said, I'll explain oxidation. What was supposed to happen with our hair dryer that doesn't work. So we're gonna have to find another heat source. So oxidation, early chemists defined it as a transfer of atoms, right? And then they realized that it was a transfer of electrons, which is the particles that are outside of the atoms, that spin on the outside of the atoms, right? So if when oxygen interacts with iron, you get a chemical reaction called rust. It's been oxidized. So we're gonna take our secret message to another source of heat that's not safe for you kids because we can't use the safe one, sorry. But we're gonna see what oxidize is, all right? Okay, let's go. You get a parent to help you with this part. Let's check it out.